Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we're going to be making some chicken chow mein. And here are the ingredients. To start with, I'm going to add some sriracha sauce. I've added in 3 teaspoons here, but you can add in more if you wish. Now add in some light soy sauce. Now add in some dark soy sauce. Now add in some malt vinegar. Mix well until fully combined. Now add the sauce to the sliced chicken breast pieces. You can make more sauce if you wish, if you feel it's not enough. Now mix the chicken in the sauce until it is fully coated. Now that the chicken has been marinated well, you can leave that to a side. And now it is time to fry your vegetables. So first I added in the spring onions. Honestly, you can add in all the vegetables all together, but I added in spring onions. And ensure that the heat is on high. Add in some sesame oil as well. And just give it a little mix. Like so. Or you don't need to do the fancy part, you can just mix it as you want. As you can see now, I just add in all the vegetables, so the yellow peppers, red peppers, and the red onions, and just mix that until it's nicely cooked. I just love that sizzling sound. But yeah, just leave it for a couple of minutes on high heat. Should cook well. As you can see, guys, I'm showing off my frying skills. I've never done this before, by the way, so my first time doing it. But yeah, I think I did pretty well, considering I never had a walking pan. But yeah, it's okay. Just I would advise make do with what you have. If you guys like your vegetables to be nice and crispy, you can remove them from the cooking pan and put them in a separate pan and then add in the chicken. But for me personally, I like my vegetables to be cooked with the chicken. So I didn't like them crispy, and personally it was a family preference as well to not have them crispy. So I left my vegetables in there and I just mixed it as you can see, guys. But it's entirely up to you lot. If you guys want to remove the vegetables, add it to leave it to a side, and then add in the chicken. Once the chicken's cooked, then you can add in the vegetables. You can do that. It's your personal preference. After you've given it a nice mix, place the lid and leave it for 10 minutes for the chicken to cook. As you can see, guys, the water is boiling up now. The chicken's being nicely cooked. I didn't add in any salt, so I'm gonna add in some salt. Mix it. So now it's time to add in the mushrooms. Mix it well. Now it's time to add in the noodles, guys. Mix it well. So guys, I made more of the same marination that I used for the chicken. I made a bit more and I added it into the noodles just to give it more taste and that colour. I like the nice brown, nice reddish colour. Just once you put the marination in, mix it well until the noodles have the nice colour, like the reddish colour. Then that's it. That's about it. Then your dish is ready. As you can see, guys, look at it now. It looks amazing. It does look amazing. There you have it, guys. A very easy and simple recipe to follow to make chicken chow mein. If you guys enjoy my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To subscribe, click the icon to the top left of the screen now. To watch my previous videos or my next video, click to the right side of the screen now. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should cook next, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.